Badger.
Yeah.
The other day, a guy drove past me in a car and threw a lump of cheese at me.
Oh.
I thought that was really mature. Hello and welcome to the Spiral Dimension. I'm Dr. Von Hoot and this is the Magic Badger. So hello, Magic Badger.
Hi.
It is Wrestle Crate Day! Wow! Yeah, it's our favourite mystery box that only costs like less than £30 delivered. I love it. We love it. It's exciting stuff. So let's crack on. Ah, the t-shirt. Always good. Well, not always good, but we'll see. Give me one side, you grab the other. Ooh. Ah, the Shining Wizard. I mean, it's an intriguing take. Less. You know, I mean, I'm used to like a wrestling t-shirt being about a wrestler rather than a move. But it's fun. I like it. That's a fun t-shirt. Cool. Who doesn't love a good purple t-shirt? Stand out from the crowd.
A bag.
A bag?
Yeah.
A tote bag. Okay. The World Heavyweight Championship belt, the big gold belt from WCW, and later on WWE. Except there's a Wrestle Crate logo on it. Well, that's fun. I mean, it's useless. I'll never use it, but it's fun. I mean, I suppose it's not useless. It is at the end of the day a bag.
It would be more useful if the straps were low.
You could always go to the supermarket, buy our food with it. Carry it around? No? We'll see.
What a pin.
Okay, in time.
Roman Reigns pin.
Have we got the chase is the question.
Is it Grizzly?
No, it's not. It's the regular. Yeah, it's just fun. I like of the pins that they've done. The stained glass mirror pins are my favourite ones. There you go. There's the back where you can see. We rarely get the chase, but that's why they're called chases. You've got to chase them hard. Acknowledge me.
Oh, maybe this is a
Poster. Ooh.
It is a poster.
Okay, so grab one side.
Okay, it's Cody Rhodes.
Cody just hanging out on the top turnbuckle. Yeah, I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this, to be honest. Maybe if you could get like a massive signature,
Yeah.
that might be cool, but it's a bit big for what it is. You've been spoiled. Oh, nice.
Ooh, ooh. Okay, I might do them both at the same time. They'll go with each other.
They go with each other. Ooh,
Yeah.
okay. Well, if you can hold them up.
Okay?
Oh! Now we're talking. Look at that. That is a set and a half. Penta and Ray Phoenix, the Lucha Bros. That's really cool. What a banging set. Yes. Fantastic tag team. Fantastic singles wrestlers. Absolutely. Like, you haven't seen it, but Penta's run on Lucha Underground was brilliant, where he had the big feud with Vampiro. Really cool. Very awesome autographs. I love them. That's great additions. This is an amazing set for the price you pay for the box. Like, think about it. Like, frankly, all the other stuff in here does not matter when you've got those two. Like, that is great. Shame it's a bit dinged up, but how cool. How cool is that? They go together really well. Nice. Nice. 2 thumbs up. Very excited.
That is it.
That's it. Well, I couldn't be happy with that. That's great. And it's mainly just purely those autographs. They're absolute stunners.
Yeah.
Like, that's top tier wrestler stuff. Right, thanks for your help, Badger. Thanks for watching, everyone. Please comment down below, like and subscribe, the usual jazz, and we'll catch you next time in the Spiral Dimension. Peace!
From the Spiral Dimension.